In primetime news this evening, corrupt cops, 8 police officers linked to notorious Clarendon gang. Education Ministry responds to teachers' outstanding NHT payments and weapons in school. And later, Clarendon community grieving after deadly fire.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, there's the Financial Week. There's Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and your weather report and forecast. But before all that, here's our feedback question. This evening, we want to know what intervention measures can be implemented to address violence in schools. You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.